guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video today I'll be showing you how to create a faux locs crochet, and I'm going to go through this with you guys step to step. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. First, you need the Ecco styling argan oil gel. You can use any gel you want, and also I'll be using my needle. And I'll be using at least 4 to 5 packs of this hair, but I only wind up using 4 packs. But you need at least 5 if you really want that full look. And also I'm going to go ahead and part my hair in a very medium size parting, and also I'm going to box braid it halfway. The reason why I do this, it will be easier for me to install my crochet. I'm going to box braid it halfway. And then I'm going to apply some of that Ecco styling gel just to make my hair feel smooth and soft. And this gel is really good. It doesn't give you any flake, no tack, anti-itch. As you can see, it makes my hair very soft and curly at the ends. So I'm going to go ahead and install my needle right underneath and put the crochet right into my needle and pull. And also make sure that the hair is properly secured, and then I'm going to tighten it. And then I'm going to wrap the box braid around underneath 2 to 3 times at least, just to tighten it a bit more. And then I'm going to open up the crochet, and then I'm going to wrap that around the remaining part of the hair so I can hide it right inside the crochet. So I'm just gonna like open my crochet up and then wrap that around and then twist it forward. You can also apply some gel like on top of the crochet to make it look smooth and nice, as you can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys again. I went ahead and box braid my hair halfway. You don't want to box braid it all the way. You don't really need to box braid it all the way. Just box braid it halfway. Then I'm going to stick my needle right underneath, apply the crochet, the faux locs on my needle, and close my lash and pull and put that right in the loop, and then tighten it. Then apply some gel right on my hair to make it soft and smooth. Then I'm going to wrap that 3 times around underneath to make it tighter. Then I'm going to open up my faux locs a bit more, and then put my hair inside it and wrap it around. So if you want, you can go ahead and apply a gel over that to make it nice and smooth and to secure it properly. As you can see, there you go. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the hair. voila, there you have it. This is a very easy faux locs crochet. And if you like this video, don't forget to give the thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.